Are you getting the switch to YouTube.com error or this version of YouTube is out of date message on your Samsung phone? This usually happens due to outdated app versions, browser issues, or system glitches. It's important to fix it so you can enjoy YouTube without interruptions. Don't worry, here are the solutions that will help you fix it in no time. Solution 1. Update your YouTube app. First, open up the Play Store, then tap on the search bar. Type YouTube, and then tap on it. If you don't find any update option there, then go to the settings, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on apps. Now scroll down and find the YouTube app, and then tap on it. Next, tap on the three dots from the top right corner. Now tap uninstall updates. Then tap OK to confirm uninstalling. After that, go to the Play Store again and update your YouTube app. Solution 2. Clear cache and data. Open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on apps. Now scroll down and find the YouTube app. Then tap on it. After that, scroll down. Now tap on storage. Then tap on the clear cache from the bottom right side. And then tap on the clear data. Now go ahead and open your YouTube app and check whether your issue is solved or not. If not, follow one more solution. Solution 3. Use a browser. Open up any browser like Google Chrome. Then tap on the search bar. Type youtube.com. Here it is. That's all for today's video on how to fix the switch to youtube.com or this version of YouTube is out of date error on your Samsung phone. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe for more tech tips, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any updates.